We should be coming up the drain now. Still a lot of some third winds, it's the softener winds next. I want a synthetic feel. There we go. Is this going to be out of balance? Looks fairly balanced. Bit of a subtle up there. Subscribe to this channel please, I'd much appreciate it. If you're liking all my content so far. I think my favourite's going to be the unboxing video I did with the tumble dryer. Definitely. That's quite a lot of suds that. I think I'm going to keep on filming this till the rinse fills up. Watch all the detergent dissolve with the softener. And I can show you what I mean when softener dissolves detergent. Okay, it stopped spinning now. You can look at. Can you get a I can get a close up for you there. Look at all those suds there at the back of the drum, and all up here. So when this is a softener wince, I think now. You can see it better there. Look at the back of that powder ball. It's a softener wince, so you'll see it all dissolve. I'll keep on videoing this to show you. Oh, is it? Is it stopped? Is it on a sublock? Stop here. Doesn't usually stop like this. Oh no. It's because it couldn't fill up that initial bit because there's enough suds. There's quite a lot of suds there. So the softener's going in now. And then that's 2 minutes. Once it's filled up a bit, you'll see this detergent dissolve. You'll see like the spots come on the window. Can you see a bit there? So it's what they put in softener. I don't know what they used to make the water go a bit weird. I'll stop that video, then I'm going to say I would be gutted if I did. You can see it all dissolving now on the window. Just need to get rid of that bit stuck there at the seal. That's usually the last to go. There we go, it's filling up there. This is when all these dissolve bubbles now at the window. Try and get a close up there. There you go. Wow, that's a deep winds there. Didn't think I'd go that high, but look, no suds. So softener always dissolves suds if you have that problem at the end of a cycle. Always use softener to dissolve detergent, and it always works. As you can see there, look at that. Absolutely clean. But you have to make sure you do put a bit of softener in, not put a pea-sized blob in. Rinsing out well here. There we go. High up. It's dissolved all the softening out of detergent.